Hello guys, let me share with you guys all these cute Easter DIY. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing I did is grab one of these little, it comes like it comes in a set of three that you're supposed to place them together. So we're going to do it differently. You're supposed to place like this one on top of another one, and that would be it. But we're not gonna make it like that. We're gonna place it upside down. And because this one has a hole at the end, we're gonna go ahead and place another one, the middle one, right at there on the inside. So then after we place it right inside, we're gonna just take some floral foam and put some hot glue in the corner of the floral foam like that all the way around it. Then we're gonna place it inside the second container like that and then attach it into place. Then I'm gonna do the same thing again, take another floral foam and we're gonna place another one right on top of the other floral foam like that into it attached. Then we're gonna take a few of these branches and we're gonna take different colors like that and place it around the little bouquet like that. Then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and grab a few cute little flowers. You could do any color you guys would like. I'm gonna do some pink and white, and then just gonna go ahead and place the flower all the way around it until you attach it all the way into place. Then I'm gonna put this little cute bunny right on top. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is something so simple and at the same time it looks so cute. Now for the next idea, we're just gonna go ahead and grab the little butt bunny and we're gonna take another stick and place it right in there, and for this we're just gonna make it a little bit taller, the bunny like that. So then we're gonna take the last egg and place it right inside like that just to hold it into place like that, and then we're just gonna place it right on top there in the floor foam. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is another way that you guys can do it instead of doing it the other way. Either way is super cute. Now for the next idea, we're going to go ahead and grab one of these little it's like a clear cutting board from Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna put some floral foam, put some hot glue, and then attach it right in there into place like that. Then we're gonna put hot glue all the way around the little tray, and then place the little container on top. Then just go ahead and put your branches around it, and we're gonna place some flowers inside, and also we're gonna grab the next one and we're gonna take this floral foam and put a little bit of hot glue and then make sure to put enough hot glue and then place it right in the middle and then attach it into place like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take one of those balloon stick, put a little bit of hot glue and attach it right in there just to hold it into place. And then we're gonna go ahead and place it inside and attach it to the other floor foam at the bottom. Then we're just gonna go ahead and the floor foam put some flower around it like that to make it look super cute. Then grab another floor foam, put a little bit of hot glue on a stick and place a stick right in there, then put some hot glue at the bottom part like that. Just make sure to attach this one really good so it can hold good. Then I'm gonna put another one just to reinforce it. Then put a little bit of hot glue on top like that, and we're gonna place it inside. Then attach it in there into place like that. Just hold it down so it can attach. I'm good. Then just go ahead and place it right on top like that. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. You could do this one in different colors. I think some yellow, like bright color. I think it also looks great, not just pink. I just did the little pink, but I think also will do nice. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take one of this clear glass vase, and then I'm gonna take a floor foam like this one. I'm gonna take one of these cute little lights that come on set. I think this is to hang it somewhere, so I'm gonna use it. Then I got this little cute white flowers. We're gonna take the hot glue and place the flower in the light like that. So just go ahead and place a few of the flower around the you to you attach the whole string like that. Then we're just gonna go ahead and place it right into it. And here you could use do some colors as well. I just did white, but I think it will look super cute. Then take your floral foam and place it right in there on top just to mark it down like that. Once you mark it down in the circle, put hot glue right in the circle around it like that, and then just go ahead and place it in your glass. Hold it down and place it down. Then I'm gonna take a knife and make a hole right there. And this is to put my little light like that inside there. Just make sure to make it deep enough and big enough so it could fit the whole little light. So you can do the switch, turn it off, back and on in the back like that. So you'll be able to turn it off and turn it back on, which is perfect. It works out like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and take these little cute little branches and place it around it. We're just gonna place different branches around it with different small little flowers. You can place as many as you want, however how many bigger you want to make the little bouquet. Then I'm gonna take some flowers and place around here. I'm gonna put some yellow, some pink, and some white. I'm just gonna do different color around it, and then just continue doing this until you do the whole thing all the way around it. Then I'm gonna take this cute little bunny that they have. I'm gonna put some little bit of hot glue right in there, and I'm gonna place it right on top into it just to attach it into place. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do for your home decor, a little gathering for Easter decorations. I don't know, however you guys want to use it. I'm just giving you the idea. You decide with for what you want to use it for. And here you can also put color flowers. I think orange. I think it also looks great. Now for the next idea, we're going to go ahead and take one of those little garden containers that they have. I'm going to spray paint them in white. After I spray paint it in white, I'm going to use the little floor foam that they have. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the floor foam and then just attach it right into it like that. Then just hold it into place into it attached. Then just go ahead and take a few little branches or different color like that and place it around. We're just gonna go ahead and fill it out like that until you fill out the whole thing with little branches. I'm also gonna do some flowers in here. Make sure to use like a little toothpick, place it in the flower, and then just attach it in there. You could do different colors. I'm gonna do different color, yellow and white in this one. So just make it cute, have it as you're liking. So then just go ahead and continue placing flowers through the whole thing. Now, because I don't like those letters in there, I'm gonna take the small little flowers. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then I'm going to attach the flower in there until I cover the whole thing because I don't want that part to show. So just go ahead and fill it up like that. Then after you fill that up, I'm gonna take the bunny again and right place it right in the middle and there you guys. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so cute, so simple. This is gonna be for your home decorations. You can place it on the table, on the little stand. It doesn't matter however you guys want to place it. You could do different colors, which I think if you put some colors in there, because Easter is all up, it's all about colors. So now for the next DIY, we're going to do something different. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab one of this little glass and I'm gonna take one of these light I'm gonna take this part out and I'm gonna put some flower together with different color like pink and blue like that, and then I'm gonna put it right in the little tube like that. We're gonna place it inside just to hold it into place like that. There you have it. Then after you just hold it like that into place, I'm gonna put a little bit of this egg in the glass like that. Just fill it up with different color eggs and then just place your flower right inside there. Then after you place more just to cover it up. Then take the top and you're gonna put a little bit of hot glue and spray paint the little top in gold and place it at the bottom. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you can use. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of this little cup. I'm gonna take a little bit of hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue around it like that, and then just place it inside there. I'm gonna take these green branches and place it right in the back. I'm also gonna do some white flowers. Then I'm gonna take one of this little bunny. I'm gonna stick a little stick inside there, and then I'm gonna attach it inside in the floor foam, and then just continue attaching flower until you cover the whole thing like that all the way around there. Put a few cute little feather around it. Here you decorate it to whatever you like, and I'm gonna have put one of this little bunny on each side as well, just like that. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out simple and easy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. I hope you guys like this DIY. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.